Good day, I am Mark JB Apostol. I am here to discuss the competitive advantage of the high-tech pen compared to the original product and innovative product. As you can see, the original product is a simple ballpoint or ball pen na karaniwang ginagamit natin sa pang-araw-araw. Kahit saan man tayo pumunta ay may dala tayong ballpen. But nowadays, ang dami ng mga naimbentong mga ballpen. Mas lalo pa nitong pinapahitik kahit na ballpoint pen lang ito. So here's my innovation product of ballpoint or ballpen. Kung makikita nyo yung bilog na black na may addition to this ballpen ay madidetect niya kung yung sulat mo kung mali ang spelling nito. Mag-ilaw ito ng blue kung ito ay mali, because nowadays ay marami pa rin nagkakamali sa mga spelling, especially sa mga important documents, right? So this my new design innovation product to help other people, especially sa mga company, schools na gumagamit ng ballpen. Thank you.